In this video, I'll show you a few new ways in which you can trigger a pop-up form using the AIT blocks plugin. So I've got a heading here, and let's say, for example, when someone clicks this heading, right, we want to trigger one of our pop-ups. All we'll do is go ahead and enable this option here where it says click to show pop-up builder, and then we'll select one of our existing pop-ups, right? So it's saying I don't have any pop-ups, so we'll quickly create one. Okay, so let's refresh this page. Now we can go ahead and choose this pop-up which we've got, which is site-wide offer. And we can hit save. Now on the front end, when we click this title here, it will trigger our pop-up to display. We already know we can do it with our buttons, right? So we can trigger a pop-up when someone clicks this button. And again, we can choose our template. We can now also do it with an image. So if you use the AIT blocks image, we can also trigger it when they click on this particular image. So we've just got a few more ways in how we can trigger the pop-up when someone clicks an element on our website. I'll leave a link in the description below to the AIT blocks plugin. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.